Happy Sabbath, families and friends. You see, my topic is a carry-on from yesterday's discussion, which is truth, unity, and the last resort. You see, in Joshua 22, Israel believed the eastern tribes had fallen into apostasy. And according to the covenant, if that were true, they had a responsibility to act. But here is the lesson. See, unity is never an excuse to compromise truth. And truth is never an excuse to abandon love. You see, if the eastern tribe had rebelled, Israel would have taken action because faithfulness to God matters. But notice what they did first. They talked, they listened, and they sought understanding. See, they practiced something the modern church often forgets. Discipline should be the last resort, not the first reaction. See, before any action was taken, Israel sent leaders, pastors, mediators, spiritual guides to understand and to reconcile and to restore. See, only after every attempt at peace failed would judgment come. See, imagine this principle lived out today. Imagine a church where suspicion is replaced with conversation, where misunderstanding is healed with listening, where leaders seek restoration before discipline, and where unity is built on truth, not silence. See, Jesus prayed that we would be one, but not a unity built on compromise, a unity built on truth, love, humility, and restoration. So here is the challenge. Before you correct, listen. Before you judge, seek understanding. Before you discipline, attempt reconciliation. See, friends, truth without love destroys. Love without truth weakens, but truth with love transforms. See, how different would our church look if we follow the wisdom of Joshua chapter 22, where unity honors God, truth guides us, and discipline is the very last step, not the first. You see, let's build that kind of church, a church where truth stands tall and love walks first. God bless.